In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Facebook Messenger. We will walk through a simple check to see if your conversation is actually gone or just hidden from your main inbox. First, open Messenger. On most phones, you will see the familiar blue speech bubble icon with a lightning bolt in the center. Tap it to launch the app and wait for the home screen to load. You should see your recent conversations listed, along with the search bar at the top. If Messenger asks you to log in, use your regular Facebook details, then you will land on that same conversation list. Now that Messenger is open, tap your profile picture. This is usually in the top left or top right corner of the screen, showing whatever photo you use on Facebook. When you tap it, a new screen will slide in with a long list of options related to your account. You might see things like account settings, privacy options, and notification controls. This profile menu is where Facebook hides some of the more advanced tools, including the one we need to check for hidden conversations. From there, tap Archive Chats. On this profile menu, scroll until you see the section labeled Archive Chats, then tap it once. As soon as you do, Messenger opens a different list that looks like your normal inbox but is dedicated to archived conversations only. If this list is empty, Messenger will clearly show that there are no archived threads. If there are entries, you will see names, profile pictures, and message previews, just like in the main chat list. Next up, search for the conversation. At the top of the archive chat screen, you should see a search bar. Tap into it and start typing the name of the person, group, or page you are trying to recover. As you type, the list below will filter in real time. If your missing conversation was archived instead of deleted, it should appear in the results. A handy detail is that you can also search by keywords from your messages, not just the name, which helps when you forget exactly who the chat was with. Once you spot it, open the chat, tap on the conversation entry, and Messenger will open the full message history just like any regular thread. You can now scroll through older messages, read everything, and send new replies. In many cases, once you send a new message in an archived thread, Messenger automatically moves it back into your main inbox view, so it will show up again with your other active conversations. A quick note here, archived chats are hidden, not deleted. That means the full content usually stays intact, including photos and older messages, unless something else removed them. Today you checked the archive section of Messenger and recovered a chat that only looked deleted but was actually hidden. If this walkthrough helped you bring a conversation back, give the video a quick thumbs up so others can find it, and consider subscribing for more clear fixes like this.